Welcome to today's presentation on how Siemens PLM software is teaming with Microsoft to put PLM on every desktop with our tight integration between Teamcenter and Microsoft Office. Today we're going to talk about three different dimensions of the Teamcenter Office technology partnership. We'll talk about Teamcenter inside Microsoft Office to make PLM as easy to use as Office applications. We'll talk about Office applications embedded within Teamcenter to leverage the inherent productivity that Microsoft Office is known for. And finally, although Outlook is part of the Microsoft Office suite, we'll explore how Teamcenter and Outlook work together to streamline PLM workflow processes. Now, the key benefits of the Teamcenter integration to Microsoft Office revolve around ease of use. No one has to be trained on Office applications because they're intuitive and discoverable. The Teamcenter user interface inside Office is the same story. As you'll see, it's very straightforward and understandable. Because you can search, author, or edit data from Teamcenter without leaving the familiar Office user interface, it improves productivity over having to open another application to find the data you want. And finally, because everyone already uses the Office applications appropriate to them, it's easy to bring them into the managed environment of Teamcenter and glean the benefits of participation by more product development professionals. All while honoring the same security protection as Teamcenter. Now, when we talk about Teamcenter inside Office, we're primarily talking about productivity tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. All of them include the Teamcenter ribbon interface to access Teamcenter data without leaving the Office application. Once in Teamcenter, data can be manipulated directly from the Office application while operating directly on the data itself in real time. And of course, because you can see all the information you have access to in Teamcenter, it's easy to leverage that product knowledge to insert into your Word, Excel, or PowerPoint documents. Starting from a blank screen in Word, the user accesses Teamcenter using the Open button on the integration ribbon. They can browse their home folder for turbocharger information such as a specification. Here on the document, there is a note to add 3D information. So they browse their folder again for saved searches to find product data that they can use. In this case, a 3D JT of a turbocharger. The JT2Go interface with Office allows users to embed 3D data directly into the document and pan and rotate the image to see more information. The user then simply saves the document, which updates the data in Teamcenter. But we didn't stop at adding a Teamcenter ribbon to Office. We embedded the Microsoft Office applications throughout Teamcenter to leverage the desktop automation productivity advantages that Office is famous for. Not only is Word the most popular editor for any word processing, it has powerful formatting and even informational capabilities. By using Word as the authoring platform for product specification, which many people do, Teamcenter is able to parse out the individual requirements by following standard specification formatting rules. And let's face it, many people prefer to use Excel to author and edit bills of materials. The live integration between the Teamcenter product structure and the spreadsheet capabilities of Excel allow people to use the tool they're most comfortable with. And in addition, Teamcenter can take advantage of the task automation capabilities of other Office applications like Visio and Project by importing that data into Teamcenter where it can be managed and leveraged by all. Teamcenter is well known for its robust data model that acts as a single source of product and process knowledge for the entire product lifecycle, and that includes Office documents. Here's just a short list of use cases for Office applications, but as you can see, Microsoft Office documents play a big part in the data required to develop and manufacture products. Starting from within Teamcenter, the user opens the requirements data for isopropyl alcohol. You can see the forms information where others have added requirements data as well. They open the integration to Word, click the live integration, and then can view that same information formatted in a Word document. Then simply using Word methodologies, add text, update the document as required, save it, which updates the data back in Teamcenter, and then expose the requirements information once again to clearly see that the requirement has been updated. Finally, let's take a look at how Outlook and Teamcenter can work together. Neither one's really inside the other, but both function to streamline PLM workflow processes. Simply put, connecting the two together streamlines the flow of processes in the most efficient manner. Again, no need to bounce back and forth between applications. And of course, all of your daily tasks, PLM or general desktop work, are available in the same user interface you're used to working with. The typical user comes in the morning and checks their email. And of course, without an Outlook integration, there may be any number of tasks waiting in their PLM inbox in their other application. But with Outlook and Teamcenter working together, the user can access their PLM work lists, execute tasks, and approve and reject tasks without ever opening the Teamcenter user interface. Because so many people manage their day-to-day work using Outlook, it's a perfect environment to conduct workflow tasks. Here the user synchronizes their tasks with Teamcenter, and although they log into Teamcenter, never have to use the Teamcenter user interface. Outlook pulls the user's tasks from Teamcenter, and as the user selects them one by one, they can see the content and the context in their viewer panel. Of course, depending upon the user, they may have lots of different kinds of tasks to execute. If they need to access an attached document, they can simply open it from the link provided in the task. Here the user has chosen a task that they need to complete, checking on the documents, and they've decided to accept this by adding a comment and completing the task. So to summarize, Outlook and Teamcenter working together streamline PLM workflow processes within a familiar working environment. Microsoft Office inside Teamcenter increases productivity by leveraging the capabilities of the tools you use every day. And Teamcenter inside Microsoft Office makes PLM easier to use because you can access Teamcenter data directly from the Office application you use to author and edit. No additional training required. Now, our discussion today focused on the integration of Microsoft Office and Teamcenter to extend the value of PLM to the entire organization. This diagram shows the breadth and depth of Teamcenter solutions that can deliver value for various departments and disciplines in a product development organization. For more information about any of these or other Siemens PLM software solutions, please visit other areas of our website, register for a live seminar, or call a sales representative in your area. Thank you for your time and have a great day.